Hello, welcome. Today we have a hand blender, George Home brand name, 200 watt, 220 to 240 volt, and of course it's not working. At first I'm disconnecting this blade part from the body. We don't need this now. We will work with this part. At first we will check the cable, and there is a fuse inside this compartment, little compartment. I'm opening this, and yes, here is a 3 ampere fuse. I'm going to check this, is it okay or not. Meter continuity mode, here is the meter probe. First see meter is working. Yes, fuse is okay. Then next step is to check the cable. For that reason we have to open our main body. Here is two screw, unscrew one and second one. Hey, come on. But I think inside this cover we have to open this. Maybe there is some screw. Oh, why are you playing with me? Okay. You see, here is two screw also. We don't unscrew these two because this two is only for holding this cable. We are going to see inside. Then here is our machine. This is motor, this is rectifier, so AC current input. Here it's a capacitor switch. Here is another, it is, I don't know what is, NTC 5D9. Here and 5D9. Let's check. Okay, I googled it, and this says it is they call it current limiting power type thermistor. I don't know what it is. Maybe it control the current flow when it's overheating or something like that. Okay, now we have to check our cable, continuity mode cable, this cable. Okay, and this side is also, cable is okay. Here is two SMD resistor, and looks like they are fine. And we see what could be, what's the problem. Okay, I will check our momentary switch, is that okay or not. Meter continuity mode, probe, and press the switch. Oh, it's working. Switch is fine. Then what's the problem? I found what it is. It's a fuse, and its color is not good. Continuity mode, meter okay. No, this is not connected. This fuse is blown. Okay, we found the problem, and we will replace this fuse. Maybe it will solve our problem. Okay, I don't have small fuse, but I have this one, 3 ampere. I don't know how ampere is that. Is it going to install it? How can I? Okay, some soldering iron work here. I will solder it in here with existing one. So at first, okay, put some solder block in here. I think it's working. I don't know it is safe or not. Maybe it's not dangerous. It will work. Solder. It's not a standard procedure to install a fuse, but I think it will works. And okay, we install our new fuse, and this is solid. Now I put this cover back. I think this cover is not sufficient. I tie this with cable tie, so it cannot move from here. Okay, tiny solder blocks could be a disaster. Now I'm going to put it back together and check it okay or not. Washer, yes. Screw. Here is second screw. Here. Okay, 3 screw and our cover here. First 2 screw, then this. Here is one. Here, and finally put this back cover down. And now we will plug this into electricity and see is it not. It's not working. Why? Well, I think the motor has some problem too. When I press it, it's not working. But if I turn this motor a few times, then no. Yes, it's working. Sometimes it's working, sometimes not. I don't know why. I have to examine more deeply. You see here is some sparking thing happening inside this motor. I think the motor is not good. I don't know what is that, and I have no experience about with this AC motor, so I think I have to close it for today. If you have any idea what it is or what I can do for fix, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you for today. I show it 3 professional repair shop, and all of them said its motor is faulty and it cannot be repaired, and also there is no replacement for this motor. So this is really sad news for me, but if you have any idea how to repair this type of motor, please write in the comment section. Thank you again.